Okay. Please, dude. Nice! Nice! Yo, what's up guys, Razor here, welcome to new video on my channel. Today I recording Keydrop, $878 on my balance. Before I start, I'll show you how to use my promo code. Click on add found in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor affiliate and just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Also, you can click on promotional code. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor affiliate and just click collect. On Keydrop you can do case opening, you can upgrade your skins, you can join on events, tournaments, giveaways and more. You can check this one, event, major event. You can open major event cases. If you're looking for free gold on Keydrop, just click on free gold section. If you scroll down you can find all steps how to claim. 48 golds if you join on Keydrop Telegram group, 41 gold if you join on Keydrop Discord server. You can follow Keydrop on TikTok, you can follow Keydrop on Instagram and more. Just scroll down to find all steps. So let's start with upgrade. Today I got one knife to upgrade. This one Huntsman knife floor. I'll try to double it maybe. So let me see which one skin. Maybe. This one Karambit maybe. Karambit bright water. So I will try to hit 2x. I will add $100. Okay. Okay, I added $90. So let's see this one. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Be right. Stop. Okay. Karambit bright water, guys. $900. That's profit at start. That's crazy profit at start. So let's try with case battle maybe now. Also you can join on free case battles. Just find icon free, green icon, and join on free case battles. Okay, let me see. I will create my own battle. I will try with Fragger, 5 of them. And let me see, maybe 3 of them, not 2 of them. And which one? And 5 of them. Okay, $201 case battle. So let's see this one. Waiting for player to join. Okay, Mikey Bets join it. Come on, bro. I need profit. I need profit here. Okay, $9. He got 7. Come on. Okay, unlucky this one. I think no, only $5. Okay, come on. Imagine Deagle Blaze, guys. Eagle Blaze. Come on. 2.5 outer, okay. Butterfly fade, so close. So close, butterfly fade. Come on, broski. He lead, come on. 7 cases left, please. YouTubers cases. Unknown case. Okay, please. Profit here, profit. I need profit. Okay, perfect cases. 5 of them, please. Only low price skins, so I need only one big profit skin. Only one. 3 more left, please, dude. I'm 26, he's $27. Only $1 lead. Please, dude, don't be that now. Don't be toxic. Just give me one overpay skin. Okay, this one, how much? 30. Okay, I won, but it's not profit. That's not profit. I will try to contract skins maybe. Okay, let's see. I can contract up. I can contract 30. I can select 30 skins, so for more. Okay, I got it. $60. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Only 29. Only 29. Let's upgrade this one. Let's upgrade this one. Okay, let's try 5x maybe. Okay, this one Shadow Daggers, Bright Water. Imagine Bright Water, Shadow Daggers, and Bright Water Karambit. Please, dude. Okay. A little balance. Okay, 25%. Stop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So unlucky this one. Okay, let's try with case opening maybe. Let's try with black 5 cases. Come on. YouTuber cases. Oh my gosh. That's nice bait. That's nice bait. One more. Okay, let's try fast opening. No way, man, please hit me some good. Okay, let's upgrade. Let's try to upgrade skins. Okay, $63. Try with 5x. This one, slaughter knife. 10. Unlucky this one. Okay, let's try one more upgrade. Can add more skins. One more 5x. This one knife. Maybe this one. Cut knife, black laminate. Okay, looks good, please. No. Another one unlucky. 10x here. Can we hit 10x maybe? Okay, $100 voucher. 8%. Bro, stop! Damn, bro. $100, 8%. I miss. No way. Okay, let's try with case battle. Let's try with 5 gremlin cases. And 1 knife case. I'll try with 1 knife case. This one. $287 case battle. So let's create this one. Come on. Please do this one. I need money. Waiting for player. Okay, I'll try to add bot maybe. Which bot? With okay, one player already joined it. Come on, please, only 6 cases. 1 knife case, $287 case battle. First one. Okay, please, dude. Nice. Autotronic bayonet. Nice. Let's fucking go. $755. Come on, bro, please. No way. Oh my god, imagine glows. Why it's glows? Sport glows. Come on, dude. 2 more cases. $10 voucher. Okay, looks good. Last one knife. Please for big profit. Over 1k profit. Okay, I got it. 1.2k dollars. That's crazy. That's crazy win, guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's try with one more case battle. I will create 2 gremlin cases and lurker. 2 gremlin cases and this one. Can I create 4 of them? Okay, I got balance. So Let's create this one. I will add 3 players. Okay, let's create. Come on. Let's join, bros. Let's join. Waiting for 2 players. That's crazy session on Keydrop, guys. Can you join, please? Okay, I'll add 1 bot only. Let's try with Lepagi, maybe. A Lepagi bot. And 1 more bot. More profit here, please, dude, please. $7 first 1 case. Imagine 1 more knife. Three more cases left, please. 21, and with $21, bot Lepagi lead with 41. Last 1 case. This one unlucky, this one unlucky. Bot Lepagi winner. So guys, use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Click top right corner, add founds, or click on promotional code. Enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by skins, Visa card, MasterCard, you can pay with crypto, you can pay with gift cards and more. Okay, I will try 1 more upgrade and I'm out. Huge profit today, huge profit. Look guys, over 1.3k. So I will try to upgrade play skins. So let's see, $318. Imagine 2x now. 1 more karambit. Let's try with 1 more karambit maybe. Okay, let's try with this one, karambit turban masked. $656. Okay, I will add balance $2. So let's see, last 1 upgrade. Please right, please right. Unlucky last 1. Guys, promo code Razor Affiliate, 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Not bad today, over 1.5k profit. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.